Intro music. Hello guys, welcome to Ready? Teaching English to the deaf. Remember, signing follows sign language rule. Writing follows English language rule. In our last lesson, we learned about pronoun. Sign PN. Yes, that's pronoun, sign PN. Hi Kyla. What are you doing here? Hello guys, why did I appear here? There are other pronouns that we can use, but I need someone to assist me. Aha. Jessica, please come here. Hi, Kyla, what do you want me to do? Can you please bring me one flower? Okay. Wow, thank you Jessica. This is a flower. THIS, sign for this. Is a pronoun. The white flower can also be called it or it. Sign for it is also a pronoun. Now, can you please give me more flowers? Okay. Wow. These are flowers. THESE, sign for these is also a pronoun. The white flowers can also be called THEY. They is also a pronoun. Got that? Now we need to call Alex. Alex, please come here. Hi Kyla and Jessica, what do you want me to do? Please bring me one flower. Okay. Wow, well done, Alex. That is a flower. THAT, sign for that, is a pronoun. THESE, sign for these, is also a pronoun. Thumbs up. Now, we need more flowers. Sure. Wow. Thank you Alex. The flowers over there are THOSE, those. Sign for those is a pronoun. Do you understand? Now, who can we give these flowers to? I know someone. Flowers for you, Kennel. We love you Kennel. Thank you very much, ladies. We love you so much. See you all next time. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow, and be notified. Cheers!